How to fix iPhone black screen but still works. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost fix is you can go ahead and force restart your iPhone. Simply press the volume up button and then press the volume down button and then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once it appears, your iPhone will be force restarted. Make sure to keep your iPhone charging during this if needed. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then plug your iPhone into a Mac or PC with iTunes or Finder, and if recognized, attempt an update, not restore, to refresh iOS without erasing data. You may also consider advanced recovery via recovery mode or DFU, but these risk data loss if backup is not available. And make sure your iPhone is not overheated, as overheating can darken the screen. Extreme heat, like extended exposure to sunlight or a hot car, might desync the display. Let your iPhone cool and never make sure to not freeze it and try a restart, and your issue might have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone black screen but still works. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.